Hello there. Hi. Hello. So, how are you? I'm back. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Margarita Crypto. So I have kind of intro that it's a little bit like explanation. And yeah, so this video I'm recording second time because I didn't really like the scenario of it, how it was. And yeah, and because it's very hard month for me. I mean, I think for everyone, just not only just me. So as you know, I love to pre-record videos a couple of months in advance. So I'm recording this on 9/11. Yeah, 9/11. So yeah. Um I think because I haven't recorded for such a long time. I mean, because as I did some videos, a little bit different format. So I didn't do video for a long time where it's face to face, like this. So I have like little pimple right here. I mean, it's not little, it's huge. And it's a little bit makes me, the pimple makes me feel that I'm hiding it. So we're not gonna talk about this, and I think something happened even with my English kind of level as well. Like, so yeah, we're not gonna talk about that. I don't know why I said those things. So yes, so we're gonna talk about Bankera, and I really want to be very honest with you guys about everything and every video what I make, every tutorial what I do, you know. So it's like no shade, no beef. Me and Bankera, we don't have it. I don't know even how to pronounce it. Bankera. Doesn't matter. So I don't have any beef with them. I believe that the owner of Bankera, I mean like CEO owners or board, it's like brother sister or sister brother brother. I'm not sure. It's like there is two companies, so it's Bankera and it's SpectraCoin. I made a video couple of months back, like SpectraCoin tutorial. So I like SpectraCoin. It's not like I love it and I'm obsessed with this. I do like it, and yes, in some period of months, a couple of years back, I was obsessed with them. And there is like bigger story behind my obsession with them. So I will add that link add it so you can check it in suggestions. So yeah, so let's go there. So when I record a video, I sometimes, you know, when you do educational programs like I do, for example, I create different accounts and I share my like my feedback, my likes, my dislikes, and maybe if I don't like it, maybe someone of you will like it, you know. So it's always a taste, you know, if you like it or no. For example, I think because I'm very picky and I have been using different banks, let's go with this, different things and what you like and your dislikes, you know, and you just kind of, when you get mature enough, you know what you like and what you dislike. As well, like banks, you know, there's like many banks. Oh, the light is coming, cool. So there is many things. I will have to pause it because I can see that light is hitting me. So 1 second. I'm back. So just kind of say things in other way. Yeah, sometimes like it's different. It's still intro, by the way. This is like explanation. So yeah, the difference that is that I have so many different apps that I use, different banks what I use, different things, what it's with cryptocurrency and finances. And just some of them, like I even forget about them. Like I completely forget about some platforms, and then cards get expired, I don't use it, and then it's struggle to verify and all of this. I'm not thinking that it's a struggle, it's just struggle when you don't really have time or need for it. So because I was like sitting and thinking like, listen, what kind of video should I record? And I remember that I did video about Spectra coin, and I thought, you know what? I remember that long time ago, I mean, a couple of years back, you could take a loans in Bankera regarding cryptocurrency. So yeah, but I couldn't find it. I couldn't find it anymore. But I don't really think that I even was looking for it very well yesterday. So just continue on this. So I've registered and they asked me to verify my account, and I've been very honest with them. I said, listen, I need Bankera only for educational purpose video, and I don't really plan to use it. So I don't really plan to use it in further. I just need to make I couldn't move forward without doing verification, so I didn't have how to escape it. So yeah, I wrote that yeah, I'm not planning to use it further ahead. So let's see if they're gonna accept it or no. So if they're gonna erase it, we know why, I think. So yeah. So just kind of in general, Bankera, it's Lithuanian company. Just let's move back to actual this video, not my confession about it. So Bankera, it's Lithuanian company. I believe they have very, just in general, looking at it, I'm very proud of my country, and I'm really kind of proud and happy of Spectra coin and Bankera. It's really putting Lithuania on the map, but I think there is some things that it could be done better than it is. I mean, yeah, that's just my opinion, I think they could do different things. So yeah, so it's like alternative to bank account. You get so I don't really think that banks complicate things, by the way, and Bankera we don't. So I don't really think that is correct, because banks don't complicate things. You guys do, because of all those questions. I know that it's important to have KYC, like know your customer, know your client or customer, and for anti-money laundering. So yes, you need to know your customer, but I think some things is just a little bit of curiosity level. I have different banks, and just to be honest, it's not complicating. Like banks don't complicate things. I'm sorry. So let's move it. I think I'm just in that kind of energy mood. So yeah, you get personal IBAN in your own name. You get physical and virtual debit card that you can link to your account. You can use e-wallet on your mobile or through web, so you can send and receive money very easily all around. It works very quickly enough. You can use your email, phone number, or your personal European IBAN. So I guess because of European IBAN, it means that it's more locally, you know, like in EU zone kind of situation is happening. You can budget, you can check more, you can control your money more, you know, budgeting. So it is similar. I just don't know what it's similar to. If you're European, you probably have heard of Revolut. I think Revolut is Lithuanian as well, but I'm not sure. It doesn't really matter. So I think it's kind of similar to it. Because if you think about it, like Bankera, it's more like kind of like banks, like centralized banking system, and as well as like Revolut, because Revolut, you get your personal IBAN as well. You get virtual, or I don't know what's happening with virtual or physical card, and you can use it, you can send it. So I think it's kind of similar. I think this is why this is one of the reasons what I don't see point for me to use it, Bankera, you know, because I think it's just way too much cards, you know, it's just way too much different apps. It's just too much things, you know, and I think this is why I'm going through that stage that more it's not cool, less is better. So I'm cutting on many different apps and different platforms and on many things. I even actually quit smoking a week ago. It's almost a week ago. So I'm really cutting out of many things. I'm cutting off people. I'm just kind of releasing everything before Rosh Hashanah. I don't know why I cannot pronounce things. So it will be, because let me say it this way. This video is coming up, as you know, now it's 9/11. This video will be coming out October 23rd. So I'm recording before Jewish New Year, what is on this week on 15th. So what is Rosh Hashanah? Yes, I mean, it's different ways how you can say it. Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur and all of this. So I think this is why I'm cleaning up everything. I'm getting rid of things that doesn't help me anymore. I don't know why this video is coming like confession. It feels like it, isn't it? But yeah, I have to get back. So I once again, Bankera can be a great app for you guys if you live in Europe and you just look for something alternative because you think that banks are bad and they complicate things. Then you should use it. You know, it's one of those things. Yes. My personal opinion probably you've heard for the last hour while I'm saying about confessions. And my opinion, once again, regarding snow beef between me and Bankera, they might be very great, you know. But it's just not for me. That's all. So I mean, you can use them. It's free to open bank account. I mean, you can study them a little bit more. Just in general, like once again, I know that half of the videos was like a confession part. I just think that if I record educational videos and I register, I use it and all of this, I think I should be honest about how do I feel about this or certain app. I'm really trying to be more honest and just kind of not hiding between the lines. And I cannot say about something, about some app, if I never used it and I have no opinion. As you know, I did video for Nexo. It was like what? It was 3 parts. And I was so excited about the first part, like, and then I came after a couple hours when I recorded the video, I came to many problems. So I just didn't. So sometimes if I don't like something, it doesn't mean that you won't like it. It's just my personal opinion. And I'm just trying to be honest. So if something doesn't work for me, or it's not what I'm looking at this part, you know. But just in general, like I kind of like it, but it's not for me. So just kind of explain more about the solutions and everything. So you can have personal or business as well. There's pricing, cards for ads. What cool thing is it's cards for ads. So there's cards for Google ads, Twitter ads, Facebook ads. What it's kind of interesting, but for that to me, open account, I'm not gonna do it. But let's just kind of go inside and yeah, because I think we have to go back to a video just in general. I'm sorry that I just don't know what's happened to me. So yeah. So benefits. So it's high limits, virtual cards, SAPA and Swift, crypto friendly solutions. So you can get cards for Google ads, Facebook ads, Twitter. So let's go to, so use Bankera cards to pay your Facebook ads, enjoy high limits, instant issue, shoot virtual cards. So, I mean, there is kind of things what are good. Personal account pricing. So like everywhere, personal in European Union Air, UK and Ukraine, it's free, as well as personal, what is non-EU residents. So you see, it's pretty much like, okay, so if you are in EU, it's more kind of free section there. So, okay, so they support cryptocurrency exchanges, transfers to and from. So monthly maintenance, it's for free. Ordering, it's free. Okay. So first free ATM withdrawals per month, UK and Europe, except Lithuania, it's free. Okay. I mean, you have here all the details. So let's go to team, because I think Spectral was Lithuania, so I think Bankera is Lithuanian as well. Yeah, I mean, because the founders are Lithuanians. So yeah, we have team, what is Lithuanian-based team. Yeah, I mean, I would look much better than team, but yeah, so it's Lithuanian team, so it is based in Lithuania. You can join them if you're looking for a work, but we're not gonna look into it. So ecosystem, yes, this is what I meant, that there is Spectral Coin, the video what I made. So yeah, I remember it was kind of, I think they still have it, to be honest, like loan system. I think this goes to because before you could get it through Bankera. This is what I remember. I mean, this was like one of the things, but yeah, now it's like paid in Bankera token. So Bankera has its own token. What is BNK? I think so. Yeah, it is. I just don't know, like, yeah. I'm just trying to figure out. Okay, so you can take Bitcoin, what amount, and you can get it. So 1 year. So there is interest. It's kind of high interest if you think about it. But yeah, so you can do from here. We're not gonna do that. I mean, yeah, so just kind of in general level of it. There's partnerships, there's community, different events. So let's check. So yeah, if you have it, you can, what they're offering. I mean, yeah. Yeah, if you feel like becoming partners, let's check some event. I mean, just in general, I don't really think that, once again, Bankera is great, but I cannot say if it's good or it's bad because I haven't used. I just did kind of registration. Oh, so if you are, there are some events in Spain, Cyprus, and Malta this year, September. So it's like couple days. So you can choose. Um, so past events, as you see, Cyprus, it's very popular. So yeah, there's many different events. What I believe they are participating. So yeah, it's many good things. Once again, I'm not saying that it's bad. I don't know why this video was more like my confessions, but I don't know why. I think it's because I quit smoking and I'm having I'm having difficult time. So just let me try to log in and see what will be happening if I can log in. Maybe they blocked me. So let's just give me 1 second to do that. It takes time. So yeah, my information is still being processed. So yeah, they are processing for a long time. Because I think they're like, oh my gosh, she just wants to record the videos. She's been honest. She doesn't really want to call work, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, I'm not into it. I'm sorry for that. It's just for video purposes. I'm doing this video and this is why I'm registered. I don't know what's happening. This is why I've registered and this is why I'm here today and having difficulty to record this video because it's like more or less of confessions and explanation. So it's like, look, if you're outside of EU, you can try to use it. I don't know how that will be. Or you are in EU and let's say, look, I agree. Some banks can be difficult for you to open if you're not resident of the country or you're not citizen of the country. I mean, maybe you came with student visa or you just came for holidays and you're from other countries and you want to have EU card. So there's kind of options that you can do as we've seen it, right? So I think it's everything depends on your situation. Where are you from? Why do you want to open an additional account? Maybe you have struggles with different banks. That's one of the possibilities as well. So I can agree with that and disagree as well. So just in general, Bankera, it seems friendly, just kind of in general, if you even look into the website when you're logging in, it's very easy, it's not really hard. It's not so many things that you're confused what you should do. So as you remember, there was advanced cash, where it's like all over the place, everything. Yeah, but you know, you can use it of benefits of advanced cashes as well. If you live overseas, you need to transfer, you need to have a US card or Euro card, so there's benefits as well. Like, I personally wouldn't use, but because I am European citizen, so I do have already some privileges. So yeah, I think everything depends on your situation. So Bankera, it's one of the applications that you can use, and it can very well serve you. And if you don't have bank account and you're just visiting Europe, or I don't know, it can be so many options and solutions why, right? Who knows? Maybe you want to save up money, and this will be like your saving account. So yeah, everything depends on your needs and why. I guess I should start it from that, and going to the end of the video, do confessions. But you know, this is why I haven't recorded a video for such a long time, you know. Are you having a nap? Yes, I am having a nap. But yeah, you know, sometimes things happens. Yeah, I mean, you can as well change languages. So, you know, if you are from different countries, I mean, you can see your languages, I guess. Yeah, they have legal stuff what you can read about them. They have card pricing, key wallets. You know, you can really study through before you going ahead, so you can contact as well and they'll say, listen, I'm from here and here, I saw the video or something, I would like to have more information about your company, you know. They have as well Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, I believe YouTube. So yeah, I think you should always try the things, you know, and see how you feel with them. And this is why I came up with this confession video. I think it's a long video often, because, you know, afterwards I will record Russian language. So I really hope I won't be confessing. It won't be confession video. But yeah, I think it's because, and you know, the funny thing is, because I'm actually pre-recording this video, so there is like 1, 2, 3, it's like 3 videos for, let's say there is 8 video, because it's English and Russian, right? So it's like 8 videos in front of this video, and I decided, you know, let me record the last video of month of October now. So yeah, there's many videos coming up, but it's just I don't know why. Does anyone know when this retro Mercury or microwave Gatorade finish? Because I think I'm going crazy nuts here. So yeah, I've recorded. So once again, let's go back on this video. Bankera, it's not bad, it's good. You should try it. I mean, if they will actually confirm and verify my account after me being so honest with them that I'm making only for video purposes, if they verify, maybe I will use them, you know. Who knows? So yeah. So there's new payment import, schedule payments. I mean, it's not bad if you think about it, you know. So yeah, but so far I cannot do anything, nothing. So yeah, but if they do accept it, we can do this. If they do accept and verify, I'm gonna make part 2 of this video, but it will be a very short video. Record it on my phone, just in case. And if there won't be any part 2 or second video, it means they didn't verify it. So then we can make up their mind should you do it or not, because I think, yeah. I'm letting all of you go. I don't know why it's so hard. Oh well. I'll see you in next Monday, hopefully. I hope that videos before whatever recorded before this video, I'm not mumbling and doing confessions, and after this as well. So I'll see you all very soon with different things, different news, and of course, by end of December, I will make one big video of looking back at my year, what happened with my YouTube channel. By the way, I was so surprised, like the channel being like two years, kind of. I mean, I've kind of registered then, but when I started to record. So yeah, it's been like what I think it has like over 23,000 views. Yay! I really would love it will be over 23,000 likes and followers, subscribers, but it is what it is, and I'm happy that people still come and check to listen to my confessions. But yeah, I will see you everyone very soon. I am letting you go, and I hope I'm gonna see you very, very soon. And yeah, confessions are very important. Bye.